According to the National Center for Education Statistics, there are over 1 million children who are homeschooled. That's a lot of children. Once upon a time, homeschooling used to be a radical statement, something like a Declaration of Independence. It was the conservative Christians who advocated homeschooling in the 80s and legalized it in every state. Recent surveys indicate that parents are becoming quite fed up with the public school systems, where much of the learning is superficial and compulsory. They are also concerned about negative school environments ranging from drugs and abuse to negative peer pressure. As a result, we have a surprising mix of people who form the homeschooling world today. They come from all religious views and regional borders. Their main aim is providing meaningful and productive learning through a method that strengthens the bond between the various members of the family. All these families have one thing in common: a long-enduring commitment to the sanctity of childhood. The children in these families are accorded a primary position. Many believe, and rightly so, that homeschooling allows parents to bring up children in a more natural and nurturing environment. Public schools can make one nervous, defiant, and downright mean. Children who get schooled at home are protected from these damaging negative influences. Homeschooling draws the whole family into the task of educating. Everyone is put to work. The parents, together, form a bond with the children. Any experience can be turned into an educational experience. Both parents are aware of exactly what is going into their child's head. Parents also have greater control on the kind of religious and moral values that the child embodies. Even watching a movie together can become a learning experience. Trips to libraries and other places become educational as well as recreational. A homeschooling family is primarily dependent on the income of one earning member. That means that often spending has to be curtailed and proper planning of expenditure is a must. This helps to bring the family members together and everybody gets involved in the process of saving money. Having a parent at home to supervise, to nurture, and care for the children brings with it a lot of love and caring. Yes, problems do come up, but when you know that your kids can always count on you, and your kids know it too, then homeschooling becomes a richly rewarding experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.